Imagine you and your friends ran away from school and went on an adventure, and that adventure took you to a deserted island where there were no people, no food security, no easy way to survive, and you had to stay there 15 whole months. Today's story is about 6 such teenagers who not only survived, but also built a new world. This story begins in the small Pacific country of Tonga. There were 6 teenagers studying in a strict Catholic boarding school. They were only 13 to 16 years old. The school rules were very strict. Get up on time, eat, study, and on top of that, they had a tough teacher. They gradually became bored. Then one day, they decided, we will escape. Their goal was Fiji, which is about 500 miles away from Tonga. One day, they skipped school and went to the beach. There, they stole a fisherman's boat. They took with them some bananas, a few coconuts, and a lighter. But they made a big mistake. They didn't take any map or compass. At first, everything was fine, but after nightfall, everything changed. Suddenly, a storm started. Strong winds, huge waves. Their boat's radar broke. Now, they lost complete control. They drifted in the sea for 8 days. They ran out of food. There was no water. They caught fish to eat and drank rainwater. On the 8th day, they saw an island in the distance. It took about 36 hours to reach there. The name of that island was Atau Island. The island was very high, steep, and rocky. It was also very difficult to climb, but somehow they climbed up. Now they have only one goal: survival. The early days were terribly difficult. They made knives from stones, they caught birds and ate them raw, ate eggs raw. If they couldn't get water, they drank rainwater or even bird blood. The biggest problem, they couldn't light a fire. They tried for 3 months. Finally, one day, they succeeded. Fire. The food they cooked that day, like food from heaven. After that, they didn't stop. They built a house to stay, a place to keep a fire, a chicken farm, a garden, even a small gym. They stored rainwater. They made holes in trees to extract water. The most amazing thing, they worked in a team. When they had a fight, they would calm down by looking at the sea. One day, one of them, Stephen, fell off the mountain. His leg is broken. Friends make splints from wood, treat themselves. After 3 months, he is completely recovered. 15 months have passed. One day, a ship is seen in the distance. The captain of this ship was Peter Warner. He saw fire on the island and became suspicious. Then he looked through the binoculars. A boy ran and jumped into the water. He came and said, "We are 6 people. We have been here for 15 months. Peter was surprised and rescued them after returning them to their country. Unbelievably, the police arrested them because they had stolen the boat. Later, Peter Warner paid compensation and freed them. What does this story teach us? People can make the impossible possible if they want to. Unity is the way to survive. Losing hope is the end. These 6 teenagers have proven survival is not just a game of strength, it's a game of the mind.